My people, oh, this is Zion's first son. Zion's first son, one japa. He one japa. Oh, look at him. Just listen to his testimony. He one japa go abroad. See him. Oh. Just watch him.
My name is Mama. I'm from Imo State. So I'm here to thank God for life. For those of you, few months ago, like 7 to 8 months ago, I had an accident where I went to play football. So I did something that is very small that you will not take for anything. Results for me to do surgery, and which I did the surgery in Igbobi. I think the picture and the video will be played on the screen for now. So on that, after the surgery, I went through pain. The pain was so severe. I was using crutches to walk because I cannot walk. I was staying one place for the past 7 to 8 months. And those of you that used to see me here in Zion, I used to use crutches. And the pain was so severe that I cannot do anything. And I was crying every day in my house. I've been crying every day, every night. All of a sudden, one day, I have to connect my phone to watch Daddy on live program. That was on Tuesday program. While I was watching Daddy was praying for people that were in pain because the pain was so severe. As Daddy was praying, I laid my hand on that same place I did the surgery, and I was praying to God, crying that God should help me let this pain go off. After that program, I slept off. I didn't know how I slept. On it, I got a trance where Daddy came in my sleep and touched my leg in 3 places, touched the places I had the wound. And when I woke up till today, from that day to today, I could not find that pain anymore. As you can see me now, I don't know why this is not on the screen. As you can see me now, I'm walking without crutches. It's on the screen now.
That is his condition when he had the accident, that the legs were broken. That is his condition in the hospital. But today, the legs are completely healed.
So, after that, I've been looking for visa to travel to US since 2021. And I've been finding this visa for a long time. And I told myself, how can I be Zion first son and I'll be stressing myself for visa? So I took my passport to come and meet our daddy, Evangelist Chukwu Noziobi, to tell him, Daddy, I want to visit US. Let me just go for some time and return. So Daddy looked at me and asked me, okay, where's your passport? So I gave Daddy my passport, and Daddy opened the passport. All Daddy did was to blow breeze on it and close it. So, so as Daddy closed it, my mind was like, I was expecting Daddy to pray. Or the other side was telling me, shut up, it is done. So I took it, I came to the altar, I came to wave it to God and thank God for giving me the visa. I went to the interview. If those of you that have gone to the US interview, you know how tough it is. I was standing on the queue, up to 40 people on that same line. There's this lady that what she does is she will be denying people visa. I was on that queue. She have denied 39. I was the number 40. And I was praying that, oh God, I beg, shift me, go the other line. That same line that I was praying for God to shift me to did not work. The security had to tell me to come in front of the same lady. So I looked at her. Meanwhile, I remember Daddy have blow breeze. So the way Daddy covered the passport, that is how I gave her the passport. And she opened it. She looked at me. The next thing she asked me is, how long do you intend to stay in US? So I said, I intend to stay in 14 or 17 days. She said, okay, what do you do? I told her I'm a comedian. She asked me of my handle. I told her. And the next thing is, your visa have been approved. Just like that. That it did not end there. Now, after she told me my visa have been approved, I went home to go and take my passport. I heard they used to give 2 years visa. I said, oh, 2 years is okay for me. I collected my passport. Behold, they gave me 5 years. I don't know how it happened. So this is my visa. Very soon, I'll be traveling any moment from now out of the country. It's just all gonna be, it's here. Oh no, no, no.
mama, oh yeah.